This is Natasha, and welcome to my channel, where makeup is a passion and so is fashion. Today's haul is one is from Farfetch, which is the Marc Jacobs tote bag, and then the other one is from Akira, which is the comeback boots. This is my pre-birthday haul, so you won't see this again until my birthday when I do a totality of my birthday gifts. So this is part of it. And the only reason why I got them so early is because they went on sale. And like with the Marc Jacob bag, it was the last one of the season, and so the bag went from 395 to 325, and that was for a medium. And I bought it as quickly as I could because it was the last one. And so I bought it through PayPal, thinking it was going to charge my Citibank, and instead it tried to charge my debit card, and I didn't put any money on my checking. And I kept telling PayPal that I wanted to go to my Citibank, which was the credit card that I had as the preferred charge card. Well, PayPal gave me the runaround, and I had already charged it to PayPal, and so that was on the 8th. I had bought the bag, seeing that it was the last one, and for 325. And basically, it sat there for the longest because the credit card. Even when I talked to PayPal, I told them I want to charge to the Citibank. That's the credit card that I prefer for it to be charged to, because I get bonus points on it also. But that's the chart. That's the card that I put as my preferred, and that's the card that I want it to be charged to. So they said, okay, well, we'll see. So then they charged it to another credit card, and I said, no, I don't want to charge to that credit card because that credit card is Max. I've been shopping on that credit card. I want to charge to the City card. I mean the Capital One card, because that's the one that I put as my preferred card. So it was a big house. So we went round and round. I got in touch with Farfetch. Farfetch said there was nothing they could do about it. The best that they could do was cancel the card. I mean, cancel the order. And I said, well, I don't want to cancel the order, because if I cancel the order, as I can see here, they put the bag somewhat back, and they're asking for $400 now for the bag instead of 325. And they said, yeah, we see that here. Well, there's nothing we can do to help you. They said, well, all we can do is wait to see if the credit card goes through, and then go from there. So basically, it sat there from 3.8 to 3. Wait, what was it? No, it sat there from, let's see, because we were supposed to go to a funeral up back home. So I sat there from 3.5. That's right, from 3.5 to 3.8, 3.9. And on the 3.9, they basically was putting the bag back, and they put it back as the last one again for 3.25. At that point, I canceled, and instead of charging it to PayPal through PayPal, I put the credit card number in myself, and I got it for 3.25 because the bag had went up to from 400 to $432. That's how much it went up, even from 400 to $432. So they said last one of the season. They trying to get rid of the last year's season, which is exactly the same as this season. Looks exactly the same. I don't know why they would charge so less for it when it's exactly the same model, just a different year that it's made in, different season. But it went to 325, and I snatched it up on 3.9. I got the bag in on 3.18. I am happy. And that is my story on how I got this bag for $325, and it's the medium one. Because the small one is going for $395, I think it is, or $400. The price of the bags have went up. Marc Jacob bags have went up. I do know on the Marc Jacob website, these are not sold on the Marc Jacob website, which is why I had to go through Farfetch, because I went through Marc Jacob site. I went through Neiman Marcus. I went to Nordstrom. I went through Harry. I went through Saks, Saks, off Nordstrom Racks, Dillard's. No one sold this bag except for Farfetch. Oh, no, no, no. Okay, Harry sold it too, but Harry's didn't have it for the 325. Harry had it for the $423 for the medium, and that was coming out of London. And I was like, no, I saw it for 325. I want it for 325. I'm not gonna pay more than 325 for it. Well, by the time I got to paying, by the time it came out to tax and everything, it was $351. I'm happy. I'm very happy. So let me show you the bag that I was so happy to get. And I wanted it for my birthday, and I had been watching it for almost a year now. And I thought, okay, they had plenty, it wasn't selling out. And then I saw this one female do her vlog on YouTube, and she had it in the background. And I said, oh my goodness, it is very pretty from what I'm seeing, off the website. I really do want this bag. And I wanted it for my birthday. And I thought, well, maybe if I go to Phoenix for the funeral, I could probably find it in Phoenix. So I started searching for when I got to Phoenix, I could go to a store and buy it, and there was no stores that sold it. So then I said, okay, well, maybe when I get back for my birthday, when I go to Dallas for my birthday to visit with my brother them and go shopping up in Dallas for my birthday, I can get up in Dallas. Once again, no stores there sold it. Farfetch was the only one. And this is what it looks like. So isn't it cute? So not Farfetch, but Marc Jacobs site is having a sale on his bags, and they've been having a sale for since 4th of July. And there's a bag that I'm going to get to add to my birthday gifts. So it's a white bag, mesh bag, tote bag that I also want. And so this is what it looks like at the bottom. Alright, this is the tag. This is Marc Jacob. Let's see here. It says, as you see, got it for the 325. I don't know if you can see that. Not too much showing. This is the strap that comes along with it. Crossbody. Okay. Comes with a dust bag. Didn't notice that. This is nice. Okay. Marc Jacob dust bag. Okay, this is what it looks like inside. Let me see if we can turn the light on with this. There we go. There's a pocket right here. Divider. Pocket divided. It's got the Marc Jacobs signage in it. It is a zipper at the top so you can zip it, which I like. It's not just an open tote bag without a zipper. The inside is yellow, as you can see here. I like it. I do love this handbag. I'm so glad I was able to get it for $3.25. I was not gonna pay more than that to seeing the price. After seeing it on sale, I refused. I got after seeing that, I was like, oh no, I'm just too spoiled for that price now. I'm not going above that price. Alright, so here is the shoes from Akira. It's a comeback boot. Well, not comeback boot, but what do you call it? Camo boot, camouflage boot that sparkles. And the name of this boot is Rowena 7.5. Let me get my boot back here. This is what it looks like. And this here is a Azalea Wang boot. Now this boot went on sale. It was also the 25% website sale, and it had went all the way from $150, and it was on sale for $50, and then it had the 25% off, which took it down to $40, I think it was, or $35. By the time we got through paying, it came with tax and everything and shipping. It came back up to $50, which was not bad. And I wanted this also for my birthday to go with the bag. And this is what it looks like. Isn't that pretty? And these are 7.5 pull-ons. No zippers. Obviously, I wasn't paying that close attention. I just fell in love with these boots as soon as I saw them, and I wanted them. If they hadn't went on sale, I would have waited until my birthday. But they went on sale, and every time something goes on sale on Akira, they sell out really quickly. But they do have some left, but not in the size 7.5. They did sell out in the 7.5s. So, and that's what it looks like. So isn't this a beautiful set? Isn't this nice? My bag. I got my bag and I got my shoes. I'm so happy. Well, anyways, depending on when you're watching this, you have a good morning, a good afternoon, and good night. God bless.